Hey guys, what's happening? How to adjust focus on iPhone camera. So go ahead and open up your camera. And now I'm zooming in to my glasses, right? I'm zooming in on my glasses. So now what you're gonna do, you could just type the, not type, but click the glasses just to automatically adjust the focus, right? But if your camera didn't adjust automatically, what you're gonna do, first you're gonna just click the background, right? You're gonna just press the background, right? So you can see right here the, the floor, and then type the, click the glasses again, and as you can see, the iPhone will adjust the camera to fit into that frame. So now you're gonna be able to take a picture, or if you want to create a video, you're gonna do the same, right? Just type the back, not type, excuse me. I'm seeing, I keep saying type, but you're gonna just press the background again, and then go and press the glasses, right? And you're gonna be able to adjust the focus to make it only on the glasses, especially if you don't want anything like behind, right? If you don't want to show anything behind. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.